Hi everyone, welcome back to the Declarative Academy, your go-to channel for mastering Salesforce, one module at a time. Today, we're exploring the Create and Customize List Views module on Salesforce Trailhead. Whether you're prepping for your Salesforce Administrator Credential or looking to enhance your organization's data management, you've come to the right place. So, what can you expect from today's session? Let's break down our learning objectives. Create a custom list view, create a custom list view chart, edit and sort list views. We'll explore these objectives by stepping into the shoes of Erin Donoghue, a new sales rep at Ursa Major Solar, as she customizes her Salesforce environment to better manage her accounts and opportunities. Ready to get started? Let's jump in. First things first, let's create a custom list view. Unlike some administrative tasks, creating list views doesn't require admin privileges. This empowers users like Erin to tailor their Salesforce experience to fit their specific needs without waiting for an admin to make changes. Erin is a new sales rep focusing on channel customers in the United States. She wants to set up a custom list view to see only those types of accounts that matter most to her. Here's how she does it. Navigate to the Sales app. From the app launcher, find and select the Sales app. Click on the Accounts tab, create a new list view. Click on the list, View Controls, the gear icon, and select New. Name the list Channel Customers. Choose All users can see this list view, and then click Save. At this point, the list view is showing all accounts, regardless of their type or location. But don't worry, the Filters panel is now available for customization. Let's set up some filters to narrow down the list. First, Erin wants to see only channel customers. Here's how she adds that filter. Click Add Filter. From the field drop-down menu, select Type. Choose the equals operator. For value, select Customer, Channel. Click Done and then Save. Great. The list now displays only channel customers. But Erin isn't done yet. She also wants to focus on channel customers located on the West Coast. Let's add another filter. Click Add Filter again. Select Billing State/Province from the field drop-down. Choose the equals operator. For value, select WA, Oregon, CA. Click Done and then Save. Now, the list is filtered down to only those channel customers on the West Coast of the United States. You can collapse and expand the filter pane by clicking the List View Filters icon. Additionally, you can change who can see the list view by clicking List View Controls and selecting Sharing Settings. Creating a custom list view and adding filters is just the beginning. There's even more you can do to tailor the view to your needs. Erin doesn't want to see certain columns and prefers to add others that are more relevant to her work. Let's customize those fields. Click on the List View Controls and select Fields to display. Remove Account Site, Account Owner Alias, and Phone from the Visible Fields area. Add Industry and Customer Priority instead. Once done, click Save to save your changes. Now, the list view displays only the fields that matter most to Erin, making her workflow more efficient. You'll notice a little arrow in the account name column header. This indicates the sorting direction. Click the header to sort the column either ascending or descending. This helps you quickly organize your data based on your current priorities. Another handy feature is the ability to edit record fields directly from within a list view. Editable cells display a pencil icon when you hover over them, while non-editable cells show a lock icon. List view charts are powerful tools that help you visualize your data directly from your list views. Erin wants to see which accounts represent the most overall pipeline value, so she's going to add a chart to her All Opportunities list view. Let's follow along. From the Sales app, start by navigating to the Opportunities tab and selecting the All Opportunities list view from the drop-down menu. Next, click on the List View Charts icon to open the Charts panel. Click the gear icon within this panel, then select New Chart to begin. Name your chart pipeline total value and configure the following parameters. Chart type, donut chart. Aggregate type, sum. Aggregate field, amount. Grouping field, account name. The aggregate type determines how the field data is calculated, by sum, count, or average. The aggregate field specifies the type of data to calculate, and the grouping field labels the chart segments. Once configured, click Save to create chart. Now, you have a visual representation of your pipeline, showing which accounts contribute the most to your total opportunities. This makes it easier to identify key accounts and focus your efforts where they matter most. Remember, when you create a list view chart for an object like opportunities or leads, the chart is associated with that object and is available for any list view you have permission to see, except the recently viewed list. Alright, it's time to put your newfound knowledge into practice with our hands-on challenge worth 500 points. But first, let's quickly go over what this challenge entails. In this hands-on challenge, you'll create and customize your own list view from scratch. You'll set up filters, customize displayed fields, and add a list view chart. This exercise will help you solidify your understanding of list view creation and customization in Salesforce. Launch your playground or choose your preferred org to follow along. Step 1. Create a custom list view. Lance Park, one of Ursa Major Solar's sales reps, wants to see a list of opportunities that are in the late stages of negotiation or have a high probability to close, or both. To navigate to the Sales app, open the app launcher in the top left corner and select the Sales app. To create a new opportunity list view, click on the Opportunities tab. Select the gear icon, List View Controls, and choose New. Enter High Probability Opportunities for the list name, Salesforce Autofills for the list API name. Then select All users can see this list view. Click Save to create your new list view. You'll now have a view for tracking high probability opportunities accessible to all users. Step 2. Set up filters. Now, let's add a filter for the stage. First, click Add Filter. Then, from the field drop-down, select Stage. Choose the equals operator, and then, for value, select Proposal Price, Quote or Negotiation Review. Click Done and then save to add another filter. Let's add a filter for probability. Click Add Filter again. Select Probability from the field drop-down. Choose the greater than or equal to operator. For value, enter 50%. Click Done and then save. Fantastic! You've now created a custom list view that filters opportunities based on stage and probability. This list view will help Lance focus on the most promising opportunities, enhancing his productivity and sales performance. Let's quickly recap the key takeaways while you verify your steps. We first looked at creating custom list views. This lets users personalize their Salesforce by filtering and showing important data. Then we touched on customizing list views. This aims to improve the user experience by choosing key fields and organizing data well. Finally, list view charts. This displays data visually in list views for quick insights and better decision making. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the Declarative Academy, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Have questions or need further clarification? Drop a comment below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today. Keep customizing, keep trailblazing, and we'll see you in the next module. Until then, stay declarative.